In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the passenger side engine mount on your Honda Accord. This will be located on the passenger side of the engine bay. Let's get started. Pull straight up on the power steering reservoir and remove it from the bracket. We're going to pull this forward out of the way. We're going to crack the top bolt free using a 17mm socket. Remove the two bottom bolts for the motor mount using a 17mm socket. There's one in the back. Remove the two bolts. Going right up on the side of the oil pan, we're going to jack up the motor. Remove the front bolt. Remove the motor mount. Install the new engine mount. Get the bolts lined up. We're going to get that top bolt started. Install the bottom bolts. Get these started by hand. Snug down the top bolt. Remove the jack. Snug down the two motor mount bolts. Torque all of the bolts to 47 foot-pounds. Install the power steering reservoir back into the bracket. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.